in West Bengal. At this moment, it's 78 versus 72.
It's going to get close, and it is going to remain close through much of this day. Bengal could well go to the wire. It could well be like that IPL match between Mumbai Indians and the Chennai Super Kings that was played yesterday. But the Super King of Tamil Nadu is clearly the DMK at the moment. Just a moment to spend on the Congress, since we were discussing what Kerala could mean. Sandeep Shastri, as I said, this would be a personal blow for Rahul Gandhi. He would have to take some responsibility as the MP from Wayanad, and he was the face, in a way, of their Kerala campaign, along, of course, with their local leaders. But it would show that the Congress has still not organizationally got its act together, even in Kerala, a state where traditionally the organization has been relatively robust. So it appears that the Pinarayi Vijayan model is trumping the Congress organization at the moment in Kerala. It's a huge result.
Rajdeep, if these trends continue, I think it is extremely bad news for the Congress. You could not rest Kerala, you could not rest Assam, and you are riding piggyback on the DMK in Tamil Nadu. So I think it raises very, very serious questions for the Congress if this trend continues. It raises serious questions about the Congress being the nucleus of the opposition. It raises serious questions about the leadership challenge within the Congress, and if Mr. Rahul Gandhi cannot win back his political adopted state, and if the Congress is going to be reduced to the number of states that it is going to be in power in, I think there are serious challenges ahead which the Congress party is going to face. And by the way, commentators in Kerala were clearly saying that the BJP actually would have preferred the left to come to power than the UDF, because then your Congress Mukt Bharat campaign is on course, and once that is done, you could deal with the left, as Rahul was saying a little while ago.
I'm told, though, it's tightening in Kerala as well, because now we are getting seats from the Malabar area, where the Muslim League is traditionally strong. So while the BJP is leading in 1, the Muslim League now leading in 3. The gap is closing between the left-led front and the UDF. So maybe we are